Hi everybody. Today I am going to be showing you how to cite a website and how to cite content from the Gale database in your Noodle Tools account. First, to get to your Noodle Tools account, you go to the Union website and scroll all the way to the bottom and click on the Media Center website. Once there, click on Student Resources. Now, if you have not done this yet, please make sure you favorite this page here, as it is very important and we will be using this a lot. Next, go to Utah's Online Library and click on Noodle Tools right here to sign in. Remember, getting to Noodle Tools only works this way. You cannot just Google it. It will not let you sign in. So first thing I'm going to do is show you how to cite a website. So I have a project here, Abraham Lincoln in Noodle Tools. Going to go ahead and open that up and then click on Sources. Now I don't have any sources, so I need to add a new source. And what I am citing is a website and a web page. This will be what you do most often. It's web pages. If it's something different, you can look for something different. But if it's just a regular website, that's what you click. First, I'll need the URL. I found this article from the Miller Center at the University of Virginia about the first year of Lincoln's presidency. So I'm simply going to copy and paste the URL in this box here. Next, I need to find the date of publication. You can find that right here, July 14th, 2016. All this information will either be at the very top or very bottom of the article, depending on where you're looking. What did I say it was? 2016. All right, 2016. And then the most recent date of access is today. For the role, I have the author over here, and his name is Gary W. Gallagher. So I'm going to come back here and make sure I credit the author. Now the web page or document article title. So this is the title of the article I am reading. So that's called The Worst First Year. Now the name of the website. The name of the website is always going to be right up at the very top. You can usually look up in the URL as well. So the name of the website here is the Miller Center. So I'm going to put that in. Publisher of the site. This is always at the very bottom of the page. So let's scroll down. And you want to find it by the copyright date. That's where you'll find the publisher of the site. So rector and visitors of the University of Virginia. You can just copy that and paste it in there. Noodle Tools will give you some suggestions sometimes. So instead of university, they want me to use just U of Virginia. Usually you won't have to worry about this. In my case, don't have to worry about this. Or the edition, version, and revision. Only worry about that if you're looking at an older version. And then click Save. And that cites it in Noodle Tools for you. That's how you view it. You want to make sure you get that URL correct, because when you're doing your research, you can go back, click Live Web Page, and it'll take you right there. Now, the second way I want to show you how to cite things is using Gale in context. Gale is a super helpful database that you can use. You access this the same way you do through Noodle Tools, through Utah's Online Library. Or excuse me, you access this the same way you do Noodle Tools. Through Utah's Online Library, you'll see a button that says Gale in Context Middle. Click on that, and then you can search up whatever you need. Now, the neat thing here is you can sort by type of document or information that you're looking for. So let's say I'm looking for a primary source. Good. And Lincoln suspends the writ of habeas corpus. All right. So there's a little bit of information here about the document. And then down here is the document. All right. Now to cite this in Gale, it's really, really easy. So you should be using Gale as much as possible. Let me show you how easy it is. You go up here to this button. Once you find a source you want to cite, click Cite. There you go. You click Noodle Tools. And that'll open up your Noodle Tools account if you're logged in. What project do I want to import it to? For me, the one I'm working on right now is Abraham Lincoln, and then you just click Import References. And that, if I refresh my page over here, is all done. There it is. Cited properly in Noodle Tools with just a few clicks. So those are two ways you can cite sources in Noodle Tools. Using the website, you do have to fill it out, each individual section. Using a database, Gale in particular, just takes a few clicks to import it. As always, if you have any questions at all, feel free to ask myself or Ms. Crandall for help when you're citing.